If somebody approached you and said, hey, how would you like to know if you've gotten approved for an American Express credit card before you even submit your application and before any impact to your credit score whatsoever? Well, today I am that somebody, and I'm here to tell you that it's now a possibility. So stick around, because I'm going to share with you all the details about American Express's new pre-approval feature with their revised application process. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below to earn some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a new SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Jeffrey Platt over here, who made a comment on my Amex Platinum Card review video, and this is what he said. Hey Mark, I saw Amex updated their application process just like how Apple Card does it, and I was instantly approved for the Amex Platinum with the 100,000 point offer. I'm excited to use the travel benefits, and on the comment went from there. I then responded below that by saying, congrats on the approval. Do you mean that part of the application flow asked if you wanted to accept the offer? He then got back to me and said, correct, same application process like the Apple Card. They recently changed their application process. Could be a new video idea. And a video idea indeed it was. So if you've ever applied for the Apple Card before or seen my video about the application process, you essentially fill out all the forms, submit it, and then before they do a hard pull and finalize everything, they will say, congrats, you've been approved for this offer, meaning here's your APR rate and or your credit limit based on your debt levels, your credit score, your income, and all that they use to decide what type of offer they would give you for opening the card itself. So it seems like Amex is now implementing a very similar process to where you will then fill out your application with them, submit it, and before Amex does a hard pull or a full review of your credit situation, they will then say you're either approved or not approved, and if you are approved, do you want to accept the offer and then go through with the hard pull. Now, for a lot of you out there, you're probably aware that Amex usually does, I won't guarantee this because there are exceptions, but they usually do a soft pull if you already have a card relationship with them. So if you got like the Delta SkyMiles Gold card, for example, and now you want to apply for the Amex Green card, well, if you already got one, they'll probably do a soft pull for your second application, your third application, etc. Again, there may be exceptions, and Amex is able to pull your credit report whenever they feel like they need to. Now, going over to American Express's website, this is going to be a standard browser window. So basically all my cookies, my browser history, everything's already intact. And as you also may know, Amex likes to do targeted offers based on browser history. So if it's your first time going to the site, you might see bigger bonuses than if it's your second or 100th time visiting their site. So I went to Amex.com, going over to personal cards, and I may or may not see the pre-approval here. Let's see what happens once this all loads. Okay, see, it already says here, hi card member. They know I have the Amex Platinum card, even though I'm currently logged out of my account. So based on my browser history, they know I'm a customer. So I won't really see anything in terms of a special offer here. It just says add more card members to earn 20,000 points. Yeah, the green card shows the same thing. Your card right here, add more card members as an authorized user and get some bonus points for that. So if I now open up, let's see, File, open a private window. This is Safari. If you're on Chrome, you'll do an incognito window. Firefox may call it something else, but you want to do basically a browser window that is not going to have any of your cookies or history intact there. So now I'll go back to Amex through this private browser window, over to personal cards. And now I'm able to see some welcome offers. So limited time offers, sometimes Amex will target you in this type of way. So let's go over to, for example, the gold card. Public offer 60,000 points. You might see 70, 75, even 90,000 might show up. Again, it's all based on how they want to target you. You might see something different from somebody else. So let's do view details rather than going straight to an application. And there we go. Check if you pre-qualify for offers with the American Express Gold Card. Find out if you pre-qualify. It is less than 30 seconds, so a very quick process. So I can click on check for offers, then fill out my home address, my personal information, and that's it. View my card offers. Very simple. So they just ask you for first, last, name, address, last four of social, total annual income, and total non-taxable income if you have any there. Now, how they define pre-qualification here is how you find out which offers you're eligible for. Depending on your credit profile, you might be eligible for more personalized offers, say a higher welcome bonus or a lower APR. If you apply for a card, your application will still be subject to our credit approval process. So pay very close attention to what they're literally saying here. This is a pre-qualification offer, not a pre-approval offer. So with pre-qual, we've got basically kind of filtering results based on a public profile. It says nothing about higher chances of approval, which would be more of a pre-approval. So for a pre-qualification, will this have any impact to your credit score? Of course not. That won't do anything to your score. You can, see if you're pre-qualified for as many offers as you like. So not terribly interesting here. Now let me open up Chrome just for another experiment here, and we'll also go to an incognito window. What we're really looking for here is something to do with pre-approval. So back to personal cards. And this time I'm seeing a 75,000 point offer. So same device ID, same IP address, of course, same location, but now just a new browser session. So you never know what Amex may target you with. But I'm not seeing what I wanted to see here, which was the pre-approval wording that I saw yesterday or the day before, but I did take some screenshots back when I saw it, again, within the past couple days here. So let me pull that up. All right, now this is what I've been trying to show you all. So again, this is a screenshot that I took previously, and it says new right here below the gold card. Apply with confidence. Know if you are approved with no credit score impact. Learn how your credit score may be impacted if you're approved and if you accept this card. This application process may not be available if you return later. So as I was trying to show you earlier with my multiple sessions, I was not able to see this. So clearly this new tool is also targeted and may come and may go on different days of the week, different browsers, different IDs, different IP addresses. So if you're trying to find this, try different solutions. Also clear your cache, clear your cookies, your browser history, and try again. Anyway, it appears as that little box right there, apply with confidence. And if I click on apply now, I took a screenshot of that as well for you all. That's right over here. Here's the language that it said. We've updated this application process with more transparency so you can see if you are approved with no impact to your credit score. Step number 1, submit application. We'll get the information we need from you and share important terms and conditions. Step 2, get decision. After you submit your application, we'll let you know if you're approved first, without any impact to your credit score. And step 3, accept the card. If you choose to accept the card, the information we provide to the credit bureau or bureaus may impact your credit score. That's referring probably to the hard inquiry, also a new account being opened. Stuff like that can also make your score fluctuate up or down over time. Then again, at the bottom with the asterisk, we see this new application process may not be available if you leave this web page and return later. So if you've already made the decision of yes, today I'm for sure applying for a new American Express card, and you have this new process, you might as well take advantage of it and go all the way through. If you're still debating, well, just realize, as you again saw me earlier, I could not get it to appear as I'm recording this video. Maybe I'll see it tomorrow or next month, or who knows. But obviously, it's not a guaranteed thing across their cards right now. Additionally, when I was playing around with this tool, again, a day or two ago, I looked at all their personal charge cards and a lot of their different credit cards as well. So like the Delta cards, the Blue Cash Preferred, the Gold, the Platinum. So whether it was charge or credit, I saw this tool appear on a bunch of their cards, but only on the personal side. When I moved over to the business credit cards and business charge card products, I did not see this tool anywhere. That doesn't mean the business cards will never have this tool available. Perhaps Amex is doing more of a limited rollout of this new tool and testing the waters to see how it all works, and to, of course, gauge their risk mitigation and all that and their underwriting criteria to see if this is going to be a tool that they want to spread across more card products and make it available to more people. So if you don't see this, don't be too disappointed. I couldn't get it myself today. All right, let's try this one more time on a different device with a private browser open. Let's do AmericanExpress.com, and we'll go down to personal cards. Let's tap on this. There we go. Apply with confidence. Know if you're approved for a card with no impact to your credit score. Okay, so we've got go platinum, get points, buy now, pay later, no thanks. But yeah, that's cool. So now we're able to see this. I'd rather do a card that I don't have at all. Let's see here. Let's do like an airline card. Scroll down a bit here. Delta SkyMiles Platinum American Express card. Tap on that. And there we go. So again, I got that new banner, apply with confidence. Know if you're approved with no impact to my credit score. I like to see that. Let's click on apply now. All right, now this is the stuff that we saw earlier, just kind of scrunched down for the mobile version. Do your application. They'll let me know if I'm approved, no impact. If I choose to accept it, then there may be some implication. Choose card design options. I never knew there was multiple design options for the Delta card. That's interesting. Obviously the gold, you have rose gold or regular gold. Let's just see what that is out of curiosity. Choose a design, metal card or 70% reclaimed plastic. Oh, cool. So if you don't want a metal card to set off the metal detectors in the airport, or if it just weighs your wallet down because you have other metal cards, you can choose plastic if you want to. So we'll leave it as is. All right, so as much fun as it would be to do another watch me apply style video, today is not the day for me to open up a new credit card, but nonetheless, I'm very happy that we were able to get this messaging to appear for you live on the screen. So be definitely on the lookout for it next time you go to apply for your next American Express card. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications, because the more engagement a video gets, the more likely YouTube is to push it out to a broader audience. Also, check out the links down below to earn some cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a new SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. And of course, if any of you out there get some first-hand experience using this feature on your next American Express application, drop your experience down below in the comments to help other people out. I look forward to seeing you all in my future videos, and while you're waiting on my next release, remember always that you are great.